even when I interview students for the program, I look for assets in somebody that I want to work with. And that's a big thing. I mean, you got to have the passion. Even if you don't know anything, if you have the passion to learn, that's a big part of it. Is having that passion that you want to be there, you want to learn, you want to be at my studio as much as I want the guy. I want to work with the guy, the kid, the guy coming through that I got to yell at him to go home, because that's the guy that I want to have around me all the time. Just because doesn't want to leave. He wants to know everything, wants to be there.